Very good morning to everyone. Let's take out your Grammar Galaxy textbook. We'll see today comprehension 5. Okay, everyone?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, see here. See this screen. Comprehension 5. Have you ever seen this picture?
Ma'am, Mona Lisa.
Ma'am, Mona Lisa or La Gioconda.
This is the painting of Mona Lisa. This is the image of Mona Lisa. Have you ever heard about her?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I know his story.
Very good. Chalo, now let's see the first paragraph. I'll explain it. Just listen carefully. Every student, your video should be on. Your textbook should be open. Your finger should be moved with my spoken. Okay? Read the given passage and answer the following questions. Mona Lisa or La Gioconda is a 16th century painting by Leonardo da Vinci. So here make underline everyone in your textbook. Mona Lisa or Leo is the 16th century painting by, this is very important, Leonardo da Vinci. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
Then it is the most famous painting in the world and hangs at the Louvre Museum in Paris. So where this painting has been hanged, it is hangs at. This painting hangs at the Louvre Museum in Paris. ये पेंटिंग को कहाँ पे हैंग किया हुआ है? Where this painting hangs? This is hangs in Louvre Museum in Paris. This is very important question, beta. The Mona Lisa's painting hang in Louvre Museum in Paris. Many consider it to be Da Vinci's best work. So, who have made this painting? Will you tell me? Who has made this painting?
Ma'am, I know.
Yes, tell me, beta. Who made this painting?
Ma'am, Leonardo da Vinci.
Yes, this painting made by Da Vinci's. Okay, this painting made by Da Vinci's. It is best work of Da Vinci's. It is a half-length portrait. Portrait means a picture. It is a half-length. It is a half-length portrait of a woman with a smile that is often described as mysterious. So the picture of Mona Lisa, what it is described? It is described. It is described the mysterious. Mysterious means that's something different, secret. Okay, so a woman with a smile that is often described as mysterious. Have you made underline everyone in your textbook?
Which ma'am?
That I have made on this screen? Yeah, okay, very good. Now see here, beta. So is there any doubt in first paragraph?
No.
Any doubt in first paragraph?
No.
Understood well?
Yes. woman in
This is same picture also we can say this is the picture of okay picture this museum this picture hang in the museum or in Paris. Louvre Museum in Paris it is hang this picture. This picture painted by Vincent da Vinci and
painting करेलू છે.
yeah, it is a portrait of a woman with a smile that is often described as mysterious. और ये जो painting है, what it's described, so this painting is described as mysterious. Cleared everyone? Chalo, now let's go on second one. Now second paragraph. The woman in the portrait is believed to be Lisa Gherardini, the wife of a rich merchant. Her name, the picture, in this picture we observe image of this lady that she is a Lisa Gherardini and the wife of a rich merchant from Florence. किसकी wife थी? Whose wife was she? So she is Gherardini, the wife of a rich merchant from Florence. Florence का एक rich merchant means व्यापारी. Okay, rich merchant was of the Florence. His wife was she. And Leonardo started painting in the picture around 1503. The Gherardinis never took the painting.
मैम हमें अंडरलाइन किस में करनी है?
That I have जो मैंने की है ना that one. Leonardo started. The Gherardinis never took the painting and it remained with Leonardo da Vinci till his death. See here. Leonardo जो है ना बेटा, he had started painting of the picture in 1503, and the Gherardinis, she never took the painting. उसने तो कभी painting की ही नहीं थी, and it remained with Leonardo, but she remained with da Vinci till his death. जब तक उनकी death हुई ना, तब तक वो da Vinci के साथ ही रहे थे. Okay?
मैम
क्या बेटा?
ये ग्रेविडिन्स क्या होता है?
That is name बेटा.
यस मैम.
Okay?
इसका
Yeah. It's cast. Now Da Vinci used and third number paragraph beta Da Vinci used an unusual technique of light and shade so that the painting would look different at different times. Now see how made this painting. So Da Vinci used. So what kind of technique Da Vinci has used in this painting? क्या उन्होंने normal pencil से painting बनाई थी? Was he used? No.
I've seen the monocan light after they get the painting follow the
Now, after that, those who have seen the Mona Lisa often say that the painting signs follow the viewer. ये painting जो है ना, on that way you will see whatever you want to see inside of that. Mona Lisa's skin glows and she appears lifelike when she just goes to show what a great painter Da Vinci was. Just wait for 1 minute. Huh, beta? I'm just coming. There's some work I have. Just wait for the minute. Do not leave the meeting. Do not leave the meeting. Just wait for a minute. I'm coming. Now, so Da Vinci used an unusual technique technique of light and shade so that the painting could look different at different times. उन्होंने क्या यूज किया था to make a painting? He just used unusual technique of light and shade. Light और shade की एक ऐसी टेक्निक यूज की थी उन्होंने. So whenever we just look at that painting ना, it's look different. वो हर बार एक अलग दिखती थी. And then those who have seen the Mona Lisa often say that the painting's eyes follow the viewer. Or the person who have observed painting of Mona Lisa, they have said that they just asking, they are telling that कि it's जो भी अपने जैसे नजरिए से पेंटिंग को देखता है ना, that the same way painting look. Mona Lisa's skin glows and she appears lifelike, which just goes to show what a great painter Da Vinci was. The technique used by Da Vinci also left behind no visual brush stroke. Now see here, this one also make underline everyone. Here, the technique used by
वीडियो हुआ तो माइक ऑफ हुआ.
But not only was Da Vinci an artist, if Da Vinci ही artist नहीं थे, he was also scientist also. वो क्या थे साथ में? Scientist also and an inventor and a doctor. Oh my God! See, हम सब तो सोचते हैं कि हम डॉक्टर बने, पायलट बने, we just be a teacher. Only one thing ना. But here, Da Vinci, he was an artist. He was a scientist, he was inventor and a doctor also. See how much talented he was. So just make underline here. Da Vinci was an artist, scientist, inventor and a doctor. This all thing he was. Okay, because of his ability to study the human body, he was able to draw and paint people more accurately than any other artist of his time. उनके ज़माने के from of that his time artists were there ना, but with them he was a very great artist. Then the Mona Lisa. Now let's go on 5 number. The Mona Lisa was stolen from the Louvre in 1911. Now here what happened? The painting, it was hanged in Louvre. Just 1 minute. See in number 5. अब क्या हुआ? What happened over there? You know, the Mona Lisa's painting, it was hanged in Louvre, Paris, na? In Louvre Museum in the Paris ना. So there the Mona Lisa was stolen from the, वो वहाँ से चोरी हो गई. It was just stolen from Louvre in 1911. So here make underline. The Mona Lisa was stolen from the Louvre in 1911 by the thief who believed that the painting belonged to Italy. उस इंसान के जरिए जो ऐसा मानता था कि ये पेंटिंग कहाँ की है? इटली की है. He was just thinking कि this painting is of Italy, so that's why I had to just take this. And then he was arrested for 2 years later, and after that, that person was arrested for 2 years, and the painting was safely returned. और फिर वो पेंटिंग वापस पेरिस में लॉuvre म्यूजियम में लाके रख दी. Then the painting at the Louvre has a room of its own. Now this painting has a special room. You have a special room for study. That the same way here, this painting also have a special rooms for its own, and it is protected in climate control environment and is surrounded by bulletproof glass. उसके चारों ओर बुलेट प्रूफ ग्लास रखे हैं क्योंकि उसको वापस कोई चोरी न कर दे. No one can steal that. And all this consists to museum over 7 million in US में. उसकी जो कॉस्ट है वो कितनी है? It is $7 million. Okay. Now, the cost of this painting is $7 million. Now, cartoons and copies of the Mona Lisa have been made, and after that, many cartoons and copies also have been made in Mona Lisa, and this and the painting has also been widely studied by art experts. This piece of artwork completely changed the existing technique and style of painting and is regarded as the greatest masterpiece of all time. तो ये जो Mona Lisa's painting is there ना, it is great as a masterpiece. Understood, everyone? Cleared, beta? Anyone have any doubt? They can ask.
No, ma'am, no question.
Okay, so this sit.
Ma'am, no question.
Who's there, beta?
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
ma'am, in 7 million Indian currency, how much Indian currency के हिसाब से कितने पैसे होते हैं?
Beta, mane, it's not audible. Say again.
मैम 7 million rupees इंडियन करेंसी के हिसाब से कितने पैसे होते हैं?
That is for you, beta. You have to find out from the Google or give me this reply tomorrow. Okay?
ओके मैम.
Find out this one.
मैम मेरा 6 नंबर का अंडरलाइन नहीं हुआ है अभी तक.
Make underline the cost of museum over $7 million.
मैम 7 नंबर में मैम 7 नंबर में
No need to underline.
6 नंबर में मैम 6 नंबर में
This one, beta, all this cost
मैम
of the
3 नंबर में
this one. Okay.
मैम 3 नंबर में ये वाली लाइन कौन
Visible brush stroke. It is okay.
मैम ये करनी है.
No.
ओके मैम.
Cleared, everyone? Anyone have any doubt regarding this comprehension 5? They can ask. Chalo, now see here, beta. Missing is considered to be Da Vinci's best work. So the Mona Lisa, the Taj Mahal, Two Ladies, or the First Supper?
The Mona Lisa.
Yeah.
Mona Lisa. Mona Lisa.
Yes, the Mona Lisa. Now second, the thief stole the Mona Lisa because he wanted to take it to England, believed that painting will quickly, wanted to destroy the painting, or wanted to steal
The painting belongs. Believe that the painting belongs to Italy. Believe that the painting belongs to.
Ma'am, believe that the painting belonged to Italy.
believe that the painting belonged to Italy. Now then, in addition to being an artist, Da Vinci was, what was Da Vinci? Scientist, magician and doctor, carpenter, sculptor and magician, scientist, inventor and doctor. Very good.
A scientist, an inventor, and a doctor.
Nice, beta. Good, everyone. Very good class. Now let's go on number 4.
List नहीं आता इसमें.
Da Vinci could paint people more accurately than any other artist of his time because
मुझे पता नहीं चल रहा है.
Of his ability to study.
मुझे डी में पता नहीं चल रहा है.
Of his study the human bodies. Ability to study
yeah,
the human body.
his ability to study the human body. Clear?
और मैम सी में थर्ड वाला आएगा ना?
No, beta, do not speak Hindi. Try to speak in English. You have to speak English only during English.
Noticeably.
Chalo. Now done, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Now see second number. Choose the word that means the same as following. What is the means of visible? Blurred, noticeable, dark or bright?
Ma'am.
Save.
Ma'am, number D.
मैम
What will come?
Light, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, three number.
ब्राइट
Notice it.
Ma'am, three number.
कैमरो चारू मम्मा
Noticeable. Okay. What will come? The noticeable.
मैम ब्राइट
Devarshi accurately means angrily, happily, correctly or hopefully.
मैम करेक्टली मैम करेक्टली
Very good. What
मैम
will come?
करेक्टली
Correctly. Okay. Okay, beta. So this way you have to complete this exercise. Now let me take your attendance. Chalo, roll number 1,
Present, ma'am.
2,
मैम 35 is present
27 is present
Ma'am, 23 roll number is present.
मैम 35 roll number is present
21. What do you have?
मैम 27 is present
From
23 is present.
from 20 to 34. Now listen, I am going to ending of this meeting. What you have to do for 5 minutes? During this 5 minutes, you have to read this comprehension 5 at least 2 times. Start to read comprehension 5. शुरू करो. Start to read comprehension 5 fast. Start to read comprehension 5. Okay, everyone. Bye. You continue your reading work. Okay. I'm going to ending of this meeting.